Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the steps on how to enable message effects and animations in chats on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you use Telegram often and want to enjoy smoother, more engaging conversations with visual effects inside your chats, this quick guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app loads, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines which open the main menu. Give that a click to reveal all of Telegram's settings and options. From this menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings. Select it so you can access everything related to customizing the way Telegram looks and works on your device. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Battery and Animations. This is where Telegram gives you control over animation styles and energy-saving preferences. Next, select Animations in Chats. This is the specific area that manages how your messages appear during conversations. To allow effects in messages, check the box or toggle the option labeled Effects in Messages. This enables all the animated reactions and visual effects designed to make your messages far more expressive and lively. Once you've activated it, don't forget the last step. Click on Save to confirm your changes. Without saving, the effects won't actually stay turned on, so be sure to lock in your preferences before closing the menu. That's all it takes. Now, when you send or receive messages, animations and effects will appear right inside your chats. It adds a touch of fun and personality to your conversations, making Telegram more than just a messaging tool. It becomes a dynamic way to connect. So, with just a few clicks, you can unlock a more interactive chatting experience. Go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy your messages coming to life with effects and animations every time you chat.